library as primarily based on the principle of free and equal access. The National Register of Public Library is maintained by RRRLF, which international library organization supports global library cooperation, that is IPLA, in which RTI Act of India was enacted 2005. In the DIKW hierarchy, which level represent the application of knowledge with experience and insight, that is wisdom. Information literacy primarily focus on ability to locate, evaluate and use information effectively. The transition from skill-based information literacy to meta-literacy primarily emphasizes critical thinking and collaborative content creation. What is the official theme of International Open Access Week 2005? That is community over commercialization. Which of the following is applied to evaluate information sources? All of the above, that is authority, accuracy and currency. Who is the first director of INFLIBNET Center? Pramod Kumar. What is the current name of NISC? NISC PR. Subject gateways are curated collection of subject specific. Who is the author of the book entitled Knowledge, Its Creation, Distribution and Economic Significance? Prince Matthew. Who is known as the father of the ISBN? David Whitaker. Ready Reference Service provides immediately factual answers. Which service is more dominant in special library, that is CIS and SDI? Which of the following is not a current awareness service? Reading list. Which of the following is an academic social networking service? ResearchGate. Protege is primarily used for the ontology development and editing. DDC is primarily enumerative. Which theory underlines Ranganathan's classification? Facet analysis. Z39.50 standard used for the information retrieval. Mark 21 is primarily encoding standard. Which of the following best differentiates academic social network from general social network in the context of collaborative library service? Academic social networks facilitate scholarly communication, research sharing and citation visibility. IPLA's World Library and Information Congress theme in 2026 is Uniting Knowledge, Building the Future. Which of the following AI tool is not used for the literature review? That is Julie's. POP in email refers to the post office protocol. The semantic web technology is based on machine readable structured data. Which of the following is not an AI tool? That is Zotero. Which of the following is not a computer hardware? It is compiler. How many elements are there in the doubling core metadata format? 50. SPSS is primarily designed for systematic analysis of survey or experimental data. Smart card in libraries are primarily used for circulation and authentication. Digital Library of India project is run by IIT Kharagpur. What is the full form of APC? Article Processing Charge. Which one of the following indexing system was developed by J. Kaiser? Systematic indexing. Which of the following is not an open source library software? E-Granthalaya. When planning for library automation, the first step is usually conducting a needs assessment and defining objectives. Impact factor and site score are used for the journal citation impact. DOI stand for the Digital Object Identifier. A conceptual framework in research is called as the research design. In probability sampling, which technique ensures every unit in the population has an equal chance of selection? Simple random sampling. Primary data is collected through survey and interviews. What is the full form of COP? Committee on Publication Ethics. Self-plagiarism refers to reusing one's own previously published work without acknowledgement. Has won the 2025 Nobel Prize in Literature? Laszlo Krasznahorkai. Vidwan database of INFLIBNET provides profile of experts. National Virtual Library is developed by the IIT Bombay. Which initiative supports union catalog of books available in Indian university? Indicate. In which 5-year plan the INFLIBNET was established? 7th 5-year plan. Descriptive questions. What are the initiative of INFLIBNET Center? Write a brief essay on one nation, one subscription. Second, what is digital library? List important digital library initiative of India. What is open access? List different type of open access.